So we were able to save more than 10,000 cedis for casting this oversized concrete. According to the contractor, you are supposed to buy 200 bags of cement, and the work will take a duration of 2 days and 2 trips of sand and a trip of coarse aggregate. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the quantity of materials you are going to require for casting any concrete at all. So in casting this oversized concrete, the cost will be divided into two. We have the cost for materials and cost for labor. Under the cost for materials, we have the fine aggregates, which is the sand, and the coarse aggregates, then water, then cement. Now to calculate for the materials, we need to find the volume of the oversized concrete we are going to cast, the volume of the surface we are going to cast the oversized concrete. So now we are going to assume that we've not started the construction process yet, but we have the plan. Yes, this is the plan. So you go to the section where it has the oversized concrete. So looking at our plan, I think this is the easiest way we can find for the area of the whole floor to be casted. So we find the whole area of this entire ground floor. So to find the area, we all know area is length times breadth. And the length for this floor is 22.5 meters by the breadth, which is 10.55 meters. So 22.5 times 10.55. That will give us approximately 238 meters squared. But we are calculating for concrete, and concrete, we don't need the area, we need the volume. So volume equals the area times the what? The height. So let me move to the next page. Let me go to the section of the plan. On this side, we have the 150. This 150 millimeters. So we multiply the 238 by 0.15 meters. So this will give us 238 by 0.15. To give us 35.7 cubic meter. Now when you are buying this, from a concrete, we have companies that sell concrete directly. So when you are buying this from companies that sell concrete directly, they can produce the concrete for you and bring exactly this amount for you. So they can bring somewhere around 36 cubic meter of concrete. That will be in their car already. So they'll bring the shooter and they just cast it for you. Within an hour or two, they'll be done. But since we are using the manual way, we are required to calculate the number of cement, the quantity of sand, and the quantity of coarse aggregate we are going to use as well. So we'll be working with this volume now, 35.7 cubic. So we can approximate it to 36 cubic meter. Now in construction or in quantities, even if it's 22.01, we don't approximate it to 22, but rather 22.23. Because if you forget about this 0.01, It means your materials won't reach, and it's better for it to be more than enough than it not being enough to finish the project. So to obtain a good slab, we are going to use a concrete ratio of 1:2:4, which means 1 part of cement, 2 parts of sand, then 4 parts of rocks. Now, in measuring this ratio, if you use 1 headpan of cement, you use 2 headpans of sand, you use 4 headpans of rocks. Some people mistaking this for 1 bag of cement, 2 wheelbarrows of sand, then 4 wheelbarrows of rocks, of stones, or rocks of stones, which is incorrect. So you find your total ratio, which is 1 plus 2 plus 4, and this will give us 7. So for cement, we have 1/7 times this 36 cubic meter. So for cement, we have 1 divided by 7 times 36. I'm going to get 5.142, let's say 9 cubic meter. But you can't go to the market and say you are buying 5.1 cubic meter of cement. So you have to find the mass or the weight. So for the weight, we use the density, the formula for density, which is mass over volume. Now you have the volume, we know the density of, every cement is 1,440 kilograms per meter cube. It's equal to the mass over the volume we have here, which is 5.15. So the mass will give us the density, which is 1,440 kilograms per meter cube, multiplied by 5.15. So the mass will be 1440 times 5.15. So you have 7,416 kilograms. Now we have the cement in kilograms. Now we know that one cement bag equals 50 kilograms. Or 50 kilograms equals 1 cement. So now 7,416 kilograms will give us more. If more, let's divide 7,416 times 1, all divided by 50 kilograms. That's also kilograms. 7,416 divided by 50. That will give us 148.32 bags of cement. So So you know that you are buying 148 or 149 bags of cement. So now you are done with the cement. Now you come to the sand. Come to the sand. The sand is 2 out of 7 times the 36 meter cube. 2 divided by 7 times 36. So we get 10.29 cubic meter. So for the sand is straightforward. The big trucks that carry the sand, they carry approximately 5 to 7 cubic meters of sand. You have some that carry 5, you have some that carry 6, you have some that carry 7. So if you are buying the 7 meter cube, you can buy 2 trucks. So you can say buy 2 trucks of 5 cubic meter. Or you can buy the 7 cubic meter truck. You buy 1.5. Then for the stones, we get 4/7 times 36 cubic meter. So we'll get somewhere around 20.5 cubic meter. So you buy three tracks of stones. 3 tracks of stones. So now we'll look at the pricing. You have the material, quantity, then price. So we have cement. So for cement, we got 149 bags. 149 bags. So if 1 bag of cement is around 1 bag of cement is around 105 cedis. 149 bags will give us more. So we'll get this 149 times 105 cedis. So we'll get 15,645 cedis. 15,645 cedis for cement. And we come to stones. We come to sand. Two tracks. You know that 1 truck carries about 1 truck is about 3,000 cedis. So the 2 will be around 6,000. Then stones. 3 tracks. For the stones, it's much more expensive as compared to the sand. So let's say 3,500 cedis. 3,500 cedis times 3. You get somewhere around 105,000 cedis. Then you have some other materials. You have water. Then we have, okay, for now it's okay. We have water. And we have timber for the formwork.